In the land of ice, where the cold winds blow, lived a fluffy creature as white as snow. Penny the Penguitten, unique and shy, half penguin, half kitten, a real cutie pie. Penny loved the ice, sliding with ease, twirling and spinning like a cool breeze. But her kitten side longed for something more, a cozy adventure, not just an icy floor. One day Penny found a curious thing, a warm sunny spot in early spring. She basked in the warmth, feeling quite snug. Her penguin side puzzled, wanted a hug. As she lounged, feeling the sun's gentle touch, a rabbit hopped by, but not in a rush. "Hello," said the rabbit. "What brings you here?" Penny purred softly, "The warmth, my dear." The rabbit smiled, "Stay as long as you like," and hopped away, quick as a bike. Penny stayed there in the warmth so rare, feeling the sun in the cool, crisp air. Days passed and Penny made many friends. Birds and rabbits, seals, the list extends. Each day was new, filled with joy and fun. Penny the Penguitten, warm in the sun. So in the land of ice and chilly air, Penny found warmth here and there, a mix of two worlds, both ice and sun, and Penny's adventures never done. Let us know if you liked the story.